Welcome to Unit 2.1, Analyzing the Product Cost Structure when Oil Prices Rise. This video will explore the invisible catalyst, the root cause analysis of the energy crisis and its impact on cost structure. Oil is more than just vehicle fuel. It is the fundamental raw material for inflation. It impacts consumer goods, utilities through electricity and basic infrastructure, and logistics, requiring a complete cost structure adjustment. Anatomy of a price tag. Energy costs are not confined to shipping. They are embedded in every layer of the cost structure. The price tag includes profit, overhead, labor, and raw materials. The iceberg of energy costs shows that only about 20% are direct costs, like freight fuel. The other 80% are hidden indirect costs, such as factory electricity and energy for melting plastic packaging. The chain reaction illustrates how the supply chain is fully integrated. Rising oil prices increase extraction costs, upstream/producer, leading to higher distribution costs, midstream/distributor, and ultimately higher consumer prices, downstream/consumer. Case Study 1, Laundromat X-ray. A service business faces hidden costs like logistics dependency for supplies, direct fuel dependency for heating water, and utility volatility from fluctuating electricity costs. Case Study 2, the global tech supply chain highlights the complexity. From extraction, Node 1, to transit, Node 2. Every kilometer of movement adds to the embedded energy cost, driving up the price of electronics. This diagnostic matrix compares service and product vulnerability. Although the primary energy drivers and supply chain lengths differ, both business types are governed by hidden energy costs. The AI X-ray can dissect these costs. The master prompt asks an AI economist to analyze the hidden cost structure of a specific product if oil prices rise by 10%. AI can process large data sets to uncover complex, hidden costs quickly. The X-ray challenge is a thought experiment. 1. Scan an item. 2. Trace its journey to the origin. 3. Identify 3 energy-dependent components in its production or supply chain. Let's review common misconceptions versus economic reality. Myth: only direct costs are affected. Reality: indirect costs, like packaging and electricity, are severely impacted. Labor is often a fixed cost and does not fluctuate daily, like raw materials. Oil price is the catalyst. It is not just an expense. It initiates a reaction that forces every sector of the economy to adjust costs, inevitably. Understanding this hidden structure is crucial for managing and forecasting business future.